thing that frustrates me when I see people trying to force a behavior onto their kids when they haven't done the hard work themselves.
Okay.
Like, how dare you try and get your 3-year-old or your 4-year-old to try and act in that way when clearly you have not been doing
Tell
it.
me, I'm vibing with that.
Yeah.
Give me a couple juicy examples
Yep.
of what you're thinking, because I got something I'm thinking.
People that lose their cool way too easy. I feel like once you start yelling, you've already lost. Again, just there's a lot of people out there that feel like they get compliant and that's what they believe for child development is a good thing for them. For me, if I'm yelling, it means that I am not emotionally regulated sufficiently that I can have a proper conversation to get to the result. Or I cannot even identify what the problem is to begin with. The worst moments in my life have been when I've been yelling at my kids because I've let the stress of the day or I'm just beaten down from lack of sleep or anything like that really, really get to me. So the moment I see people yelling at their kids, I just feel like you haven't done the work yourself.
So good. Hey, can I ask you a personal question? You don't need the answer?
Yeah.
When you were growing up, did you have it in your life who did some yelling or did not do yelling? And they kind of set a good example for you of how to be a good communicator, a strong person, good conflict communication without yelling. Did you have any good role models or anything come up for you?
Yeah, 2 great parents. I don't recall them yelling on a regular basis. And I'm sure there were times when I probably deserved it.
Yeah.
The occasional wooden spoon we had in Australia as well. But
the Australian wooden spoon. Did you have a name for it? Because here's a chancla is like the name of like a sandal. Filipinos, Latinos, they have a chancla. No name for the spoon?
We had no names.